And now that the truck's off, I can tell you it comes with its own little carrying bag right here. It's got pouches on it, and these two hoses, they're actually labeled so that this one is the primary one that connects up to the compressor, coils down into this little pouch in the front. And then the second hose for the extension, it actually is labeled extension hose. So, and then it has a little pouch in the back of the carrying case. So really nice little setup here. And of course, the first time I used it, I had the truck on and everything was going, and I forgot to turn the little power switch on, so I was wondering why it didn't work. And there's a little power switch on the unit itself to turn it on and off, but I kind of forgot that part. But then I found it and turned it on, and it's worked great ever since. So I've used it, I don't know, a dozen times or so in the last year or so. I don't know. Anyway, we love it. It's great.